Ladles and jelly spoons, welcome back to Badgerworks. Today, this. I suppose you could call this our Christmas special. So, let's get on with it. So a bit of explanation is probably needed here. This is a Wreath, as you can see. It's actually got lights in it. There's a light there, look. And a battery pack. And this, let me start at the beginning. My missus works in a livery stable up the road from us. And there's been a few times when she's brought stuff home that's broken for me to fix, you know, like brooms and rakes and stuff like that. I think I've done some videos on some of it. And apparently I have now got a reputation up there as being the guy who fixes things. So there you go. Anyway, they dug this thing out because obviously Christmas is coming up. And it doesn't work. So they were like, oh, can you take it home for your other half to have a look at? And so here we are. Anyway. So I suspect this thing has had it. Let me bring the camera a little bit closer so you can see. Right, now I suspect the problem is this. Because straight away I can see the switch has had it. Yeah, there's a light there and you can see it's not working. And this switch is all over the place. There's also a big crack in the battery case there. Let's pop this open and have a look. Oh. Get off. Those batteries look like they've had it. That one's not even touching the contact. That's the switch there, you see. So the switch has come out of where it's supposed to be. Okay. Oh, God. I need a screwdriver. Hang on. Right. Let's... Yeah, I should think these batteries have been here since last year. Okay. It may well be the case that we just need to clean this up a bit and oh dear. Yeah. Okay. So there's your first problem, right? Now, like I said, this is the switch here. So this contact has come out. It's supposed to be in that little slot there. I don't know if we can get that back in or not. Might need a pair of pliers for this. Yeah, I mean, I've used these battery boxes in projects before, and they're not great. Pliers. All right. There we go. Right, that should be in there, which should also now mean the switch is back in place. Right, let's get a bit of emery board and see if we can clean up these contacts. Right, this is a little nail file thing from the pound shop. You can buy packs of these in the pound shop. They're really handy. So just run it over the end. You see, that one's all right. That one's clean. Now the problem we're going to have is this one here, because this is, yeah, I thought that might be the case. So the nice thing about these, because they're made of, I don't know what they're made of, wood or card or something, but you can just take a pair of scissors and just snip it down a bit like that. And hopefully that will fit in there a bit better now. Yeah, there we go. Right. New batteries. Right, let's pop these in. Kirkland branded from Costco, not a sponsor. Okay, so that goes in there. Let's make sure that switch is in the off position, which it is. We'll pop this one in here, and we will pop this one in here. Honestly, if this works, it'll be a miracle. A Christmas miracle, perhaps. All right, let's see. Well, there you go. You can see here the lights have come on. So that's all it was. It was just dirty contacts and old batteries. So there you go. I'm not sure we can really call this a Christmas special, but there you go. I hope you've all had a good year, and I hope your next year is even better. But as ever, I'd like to thank my top tier patrons, Howard, Amy and Hawaii Clive O, for their continued support, and all my other patrons and channel members and all you lovely people at home. It really does mean a lot to me. Just, you know, it's one of the things that keeps me doing this, is not just the fact that I like doing it, but I know that there are people out there who actually enjoy my dribblings. So there you go. Hopefully you've enjoyed this little bit of nonsense, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks very much for watching. Cheers. Bye.